Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Blze token. Now the Blze token just finished their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. Name of the token is Blze, ticker symbol is BLZE. This is on the Ethereum blockchain. They had a public pre-sale, they did very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Blze token. So Blze token has a token tracker. It's on the Ethereum network, a hyper-deflationary cryptocurrency project on a unique strategy to burn billions of Shiba Inu coins every week through its innovative buy and sell tax features. The Blze token is available to burn large quantities of Shiba Inu coins and Blze tokens. That's where the name Blze comes from. The burns not only reduce the circulating supply of both tokens, it also helps appreciate the price of both tokens. So they do have a full audit. So they were audited by Analytics Audit, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons. They also have a Telegram at Blze_token. They have a Twitter at Blze_token and their official webpage, blazetoken.io. So they had a public pre-sale. 344 different investors contributed to this pre-sale. Hard cap was set at 100 Ethereum, and they completely sold out. 100 ETH for a very successful pre-sale. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 trillion tokens. According to their token metrics pie chart, 29% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 14.49% of the tokens go to liquidity, 24% go to development, 10% go to team, 22.5% of the tokens are unlocked. So now that the pre-sale is over, if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Blze token using the contract address that you can find at blazetoken.io. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we will go over that. And it says liquidity will be locked on Uniswap for 1 full year. You can easily find the contract address if you just go to blazetoken.io. It's like the very first thing that pops up right on their webpage. So they do have a document section as well that you could check out. It is a white paper. Goes over their security audit is the first thing on their white paper. So all sorts of technical findings on their security audit as well. You can go over all the things on here. So it says the project owners of Blze does have the ability to change fees up to 12%. The contract currently has a 10% buy and 12% sell tax. So if you are going to buy this token on Uniswap, you most likely will have to set your slippage somewhere around 10%. And if you are going to sell the token, you will have to set it somewhere around 12% as well. So why Blze? Well, it's a hyper-deflationary token. We burn Blze tokens on Shib every transaction. Immense growth potential, so the Blze community is constantly expanding. Our community of holders, we're hyper-active getting Blze into the world. It's got an incredible team. Our team has plenty of crypto and marketing experience. Blze token taxes, so The tax money is used for Shib burn, Blze burn, development, and liquidity. So it says here that 10% of the taxes on buys goes to the Blze burn. 40% of the taxes on on buys goes to Shib burns. 20% goes to liquidity, and 30% goes to development. And then it's similar for sell tax, but it's just increased a little bit because the sell tax is 12% instead of 10%. And yeah, so it's a deflationary token, but it also helps Shib. Pretty straightforward there. So they have a roadmap on their webpage as well. It says they're starting with marketing, research, competition analysis, plan strategizing, and then token contract development, audit and create token KYC verification, Blze token fair launch, pre-sale, and then the launch and the public launch. So that's where we're at right now. And then Uniswap trading begins. So the next, they're going to have getting listed on central exchanges. They also have getting listed on Ethereum-based crypto games and NFT projects. Then we have getting widespread recognition from news outlets, increasing marketing budget, games, NFTs, humanitarian efforts, and more to come, so stay tuned. So weekly burns, it has a chart where you can check out the weekly burns on their page of the Shib burns and the Blze burns. It goes over the daily volume, trading volume, all that type of stuff, and the burn volume. Besides that, you can check out their socials. So they do have a Twitter on here, at Blze_token, 218 tweets so far, and they just joined in April 2023. So they're extremely active on Twitter here. Only 1,238 followers so far. They do Ask Me Anything, so you can check out a full Ask Me Anything. They just did it 4 minutes ago. They just posted that up, so you could check that out. It's a YouTube video, and yeah, lots of tweets on here talking about their pancake swap sold out in less than 12 hours, it said. So they did very well on their pre-sale. Now their Telegram is same thing, at Blze_token, 647 members, 45 online. So they're not doing too bad on Telegram either. So check all the info out, blazetoken.io. You can go over their documents, all that type of stuff. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.